This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade softwares, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll do the analysis from the 4 hours time frame to 5 minutes time frame. Let us look at economic events calendar for today. Today is Tuesday, June 28th. When we look at the medium impacting news, at 1:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news on euro related currency pairs. Then we have third day of the G7 meeting all day happening. Then when we look at the high impacting news, at 7:30 p.m. we have high impacting news on US dollar related currency pairs, followed by which we have low impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to consider these events also while deciding on your trade entry and exits. Let us begin our gold analysis. I am in 4 hours time frame, and when we analyze the price action from the 4 hours time frame, after a strong fall we have seen a consolidation happening over here. Here also we are noticing a similar pattern to be repeated. There is a consolidation. Once the consolidation is over, we can expect the market to trend on the bullish side or on the bearish side based on the market sentiments. Let us analyze the current trend of the price action more closely. So from here I am drawing a support line or a trend line connecting the lows from here. So based on this trend line or the support line, currently the price action is trading above this support line. So from this point it is still a bullish trend because it has not broken this support line. And when we look at the price action from the higher side, I have connected the highs from where it started its bearish trend reversal. And here you can notice that price action tries to break this resistance line and it didn't succeed in breaking this resistance line. And overall when we look at the price action, it is under a consolidation and also it is consolidating within a symmetric triangle pattern. Symmetric triangle pattern means there is not enough bullishness or there is not enough bearishness in the market for now. Which also means that once the price action breaks out from this symmetric triangle pattern, we can expect a violent directional movement in either direction. We have also noticed a similar consolidation in the past also. Here when we notice it, I am drawing a resistance line and a support line. Here also we can clearly notice that the price has consolidated. Then it made a continuous rally on the bullish side. Currently we are having this part of the price action being repeated here. Soon we can expect a directional momentum on the bullish side or on the bearish side. So wait for the price action to give a breakout from this symmetric triangle pattern if you are a long-term investor. And also when we look at the price action, we are seeing a channel pattern being formed over here. So we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal whenever it tested this resistance line, and on the bottom also we have noticed the price to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal whenever it tests this support level. So currently we are noticing the consolidation happening over here. So if the price action gives a breakout from this resistance line or the trend line, we can expect it to trend up, test this resistance line again. And also you can notice it is forming similar to a double bottom pattern. So we can expect the double bottom pattern to be completed once it breaks this resistance line. So this line plays a very vital role in deciding on the continuation of the bullish trend. If the downside breakout happens, these are all going to be the next level of support, which is 1794, 1769, 1745. And if the price action gives a breakout on the bullish side, 1875, and 1915 are going to be the next level of resistance on the bullish side. And also keep in mind that once the breakout on the bullish side happens, we'll see the continuation of this bullish channel pattern. So as long as the price action trades within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect a bullish trend to continue in gold. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame, I have drawn one more channel pattern over here. Here we can notice that the current price action is trading within this bearish channel pattern. So which means that the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is on a bearish side. As long as the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance line, we can expect a bearish channel pattern continue in hourly time frame. Here also we are noticing the consolidation to take place. So wait for the price action to give a directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side to take a directional trade. If it gives a breakout on the bearish side, it will be the continuation of the bearish channel pattern. And if the price action gives a breakout on the bullish side, which means breaking this resistance line, and next level of resistance is going to be the 4 hours time frame resistance level of 1875. Let us mark the support and resistance line. So the values within this white color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently the trend in the hourly time frame is in a bearish side. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame, I am going to draw a trend line or a support line. So currently we can notice that the price action is respecting this support line and has bounced back on the bullish side. Even on the bullish side also we have a very strong resistance line over here, which is from the 4 hours time frame. And overall, when we notice the price action based on this support line and the resistance line, it is under a consolidation. Soon we can expect a directional breakout in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1822 and the resistance level of 1826. It is a range bound market for now in 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. Previously in 5 minutes time frame, the trend was on a bearish side respecting this resistance line over here, and currently it has given a breakout from this resistance line, but there is very less momentum in the price action for now, and it is trading between the resistance level of 1825 and the support level of 1821. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.